If you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. A famous quote said by Nobel Prize winning economist Ronald Coase. He said that if you keep on asking questions to your data, it will give you more detailed insights so that the organization can make data-driven decisions. Hello everyone, I'm Jeevan Raj, a certified data science and analytics coach working at Ematicus Learning. In this session, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of Power BI. We will cover the following topics today. Basically, you will be learning the introduction to Power BI, understanding what Power BI is and what are the key advantages of Power BI, why you want to choose Power BI, exploring the benefits of using Power BI compared to other tools in the market. I will be walking through the interface of Power BI, how it looks and how you can do various tasks by using Power BI. We will also discuss about the data connectivity, learning how connecting the data with various sources. We will deep dive into the complex data connectivity and as well as complex data transformation by using the Power Query editor. We will be covering the data modeling, learning how to create a relationship between different source or different data. We will also cover how to create a visuals. You will learn how to create variety of visuals using Power BI. Finally, we will be dealing with end-to-end Power BI project. We will put all together and we will create one of the end-to-end Power BI project. Without further ado, let's begin with today's agenda. Now we will be discussing what is Power BI. If you ask me what is Power BI, I will explain in two different ways. Number one, in simple language, Power BI is a business intelligence tool which helps you to analyze your data, clean your data and convert that data into the visual format where you can create a report and dashboard. In the other language, I can say that Power BI is a collection of components which contains Power Query. Power Query is used to clean your data. It works as an ETL tool, extract, transform, load. I will explain you in detail what is ETL and what is Power Query. Next, we have Power Pivot. Power Pivot is used to make the relationship between the data source. How to make a data modeling using Power BI will be taught to you in detail. Next, we have Power View. Power View is used to create a charts and reports. Finally, we have Power BI Service. Power BI Service is used to share your report and collaborate within the team. These are the four components that we have in Power BI. If you ask me why we should learn Power BI, I will give you top 5 reasons why you should learn Power BI. The first reason is Power BI is most popular BI tool. Power BI is most popular business intelligence tool. We can use search volume in Google, which help you to understand finding the interest over the period of time for any search item. I will show you how Power BI is keep on growing and how it is very popular compared to all other BI tools in the market. The next, it is maximum number of features where Power BI allows you the maximum number of features. You can write 100 plus DAX queries where it will help you to write more customized way of understanding your data. It will help you to create approximately 250 plus visuals. The next thing where data connectivity. Power BI has capability of importing the data from 99 plus different sources. You can bring the data from Excel format, local file system, databases as well as cloud services. You can put all together and you can say that where you can connect the data in terms of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. As I told you before, where Power BI helps you to make your entire process automate. So with very less manual effort. Whereas Power BI is most cheaper compared to all other tools in the market. Where the subscription of Power BI per user is like almost $10 per month. These are the top 5 reasons why you want to learn Power BI. You can see over here the Gartner Magic Quadrant of Power BI tool says that Whereas from 2014 till the 2024, how the Power BI is keep on increasing its strength. You can see Power BI is almost like from 2021 to 2024, it is in the number one place.